Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate fuboTV on your Vizio SmartCast TV and link it to your account, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Turn on your Vizio SmartCast TV and press the V button on your remote to access SmartCast. Step 2. Navigate to the App Store section within SmartCast and search for the fuboTV app. Step 3. Select the fuboTV app and click Install to download it to your Vizio TV. Step 4. Open the fuboTV app after installation completes. An activation code will be displayed on your TV screen. Step 5. Using a smartphone, tablet, or computer, visit fubo.tv Connect in a web browser. Step 6. Log in with your fuboTV account credentials. Ensure you have an active subscription. Step 7. Enter the activation code shown on your Vizio TV into the appropriate field on the website. Step 8. Click Continue or Activate to link your device. Your TV will refresh and you can now access all fuboTV channels and content, including live sports, news, and entertainment programming. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.